In this tutorial, we will learn how to create a text, how to manipulate it, and how to animate the text. So let's start. First, we will create a new composition. Hit Ctrl+N to create a new composition. Hit OK. And then now let's start working in it. First of all, we'll create a new text. In order to create a new text, you can go to Layer, New, Text, or you can go over here, select the text tool, and then click anywhere in the area, and then start writing to create the text. Or you can just click on the empty area over here, right click, New, Text. Let's select that, and then let's type a text. Now left click in this area so that you stop writing the text. Select the move tool, move the text in the center. OK. Now let's change the anchor point of this text to its center. So select the pan behind tool, left click and drag the anchor point, and then move it to the center. OK. Now in order to see what text you want, you can go over to the character panel. You can select its color by clicking over here and then selecting any color you want. As you can see, it updates in that panel. You can select any color that suits you. For now, we will select light bluish color, hit OK. Alright, so now we have selected the color of the text. We can select the font of the text from over here. You can select any font that you want and that you have installed in your computer, and so on. You can use the keyboard to go through the fonts and then keep any font that you like. Let's keep Dog Champa, and then let's move on to its properties. The first over here is the size. It is the 75 pixels. You can increase or decrease the size of the text from over here. For now, let's leave it at 80. Now down here is the vertical scale of your text. Increase it to increase the length of your text vertically. Let's leave it at 100%. This is the horizontal scale. You can scale your text horizontally from here. Let's leave it at 100. And then you can select if you want to make your text bold, italic, and so on. All caps, small caps, superscript, subscript, and so on. Let's leave it at normal. So let's start animating the text right away. In order to animate a text, it is same as we animated the solid. Since this is also a layer, we can just select P on our keyboard, press P, and then you can move the text as you like. So let us apply a certain animation right now. Let's apply the animation to its position, scale, and opacity. So let's hit P on our keyboard, or let's press S on our keyboard. Scale this text, keep scaling. Okay, it is large enough. Now select the layer, press Shift and press T to bring up opacity. Set the opacity at 0. And now hit the stopwatch to create a keyframe at 1 second or 0 seconds. Move to about 1 second or a little less than that. Select opacity as 100 and scale as 100 as well. Let's see how the animation turned out to be. Let us select the keyframe of opacity and move it a little to the right. And now let's check it out. As you can see, we have a cool animation of text coming from behind the camera and into the screen. In order to give more life to it, select the layer, press R on your keyboard, go to the start, R, T and S, go to the start, hit a keyframe, go over here, select 3, and then it will rotate 3 times and then come in. Let's check it out. The rotation is too much. Let's decrease the rotation to back to 1 rotation. Let's play it. As you can see, it is a little more better. Just click on this, enables motion blur for all layers, and then click on the motion blur switch here. And as you know, if we move our hand very fast, we can see multiple images of it, as if we have more than one hands. The same way happens here, and you will see it when we play it. The motion blur does work heavy. As you can see, it is now better. Although it is not much of a difference right now, but it does bring a lot of difference in many situations.